I've come across 15 new apps that offer payment for minimal effort, including passive earning opportunities while you sleep. These apps are globally accessible, require no prior experience, and are compatible with both iOS and Android devices. However, I want to be completely transparent from the outset. None of these apps will make you a millionaire. Nonetheless, they won't waste your time either, especially if you're looking to earn some extra money online. Yes, some of them even compensate you for simply sleeping. These are ideas from Chows, and let's start with the first app, Evidation. Essentially, this app compensates you for activities like walking, sleeping, and more. It functions as a health tracking app, monitoring your sleep patterns and steps, while also displaying advertisements and collecting user data for research purposes. This is how they justify paying millions of users to engage in these activities. So, it doesn't demand any additional effort. You simply install it on your phone, put your phone in your pocket, and as you walk or sleep, it automatically accumulates points for you. These points can later be exchanged for actual money. The second app is called EarnApp, which rewards you for sharing your internet data. Similarly, it requires minimal effort on your part. You just need to keep your phone with you, and you can begin earning passively. You can monitor your earnings and balance within the app. Don't anticipate earning thousands of dollars with this app. It typically only yields around $100 per month, especially if you have a substantial amount of data to share. So, it's not a significant profit maker. However, it does provide compensation for minimal effort, allowing you to earn even while you sleep. The third app is specifically designed to compensate you for sleeping, aptly named Professional Sleeper. It offers a payment of $100 for sleeping, with hourly rates ranging from $19 to $32. Your task involves testing various sleep-related products like headphones, pillows, and mattresses while you sleep and providing honest feedback. However, please note that this opportunity is available exclusively for individuals residing in the US. The next app we're discussing is EarnApp, which provides passive income while your devices are idle. The more devices you have, the greater potential for earnings. Essentially, you download and install the app, which collects data in the background. You can sign up using Google or Apple accounts and begin using it. While it doesn't offer substantial earnings, you might make around $20 a month. Nonetheless, it's a welcome bonus for essentially doing nothing. The following app that offers passive income is Sound Campaign, which compensates you for listening to music. This activity is typically something you already do during your leisure time or when winding down in bed. By simply listening to music, you can earn $14 per song, with most songs being 2 or 3 minutes in duration. They're simply seeking genuine feedback on the song you've just heard. Your task is to provide your honest thoughts about the music. Additionally, they offer instant payouts and accept participants from any country worldwide. Essentially, you can earn money by assisting them in curating music through your honest feedback, essentially getting paid for listening to music. The next app we're discussing is PocketShare.com. This is another opportunity to earn additional income effortlessly. Essentially, it lets you earn rewards by completing various tasks, sharing your data, and simply having the app installed and running in the background on your Android device. However, it's important to note that this app is exclusive to Android and is not compatible with iOS devices. The next app on our list offers payment for streaming TV shows and movies through Rewarded.tv. You can earn money by watching various movies as they display numerous ads throughout the content. These ads appear on the screen, and when you skip them, you receive a portion of the ad revenue. Essentially, this allows you to get paid for watching movies, which is likely something you already do in your spare time. It's akin to earning money for leisure activities. The following app offers a unique opportunity to earn money effortlessly. It enables you to generate income from your unused SMS messages. Simply share your SMS with the app, and you can start earning passive income for free. You can join this program without any cost, and once set up, the app works in the background for you. You'll receive text messages that you don't even need to open or read, yet you'll still receive payment. This app provides complete control over the process. The next app we're featuring is Blockreward, which offers rewards without requiring additional effort. Essentially, you earn money for your time, doing practically nothing. However, it's worth noting that this app is specifically designed for crypto enthusiasts, as the rewards are exclusively in cryptocurrency. The next app we're highlighting is Macadam. This free app offers you the opportunity to earn money simply by walking, similar to the individual shown here. All you need to do is install the app, keep your phone in your pocket, and you'll start earning without any additional effort. You have the option to install this app on either iOS or Android devices, as it's compatible with both platforms. It's free to install, and you can start earning money from nearly any country worldwide without having to put in any additional effort yourself. The next app we're discussing is Videocash, which rewards you for either watching or uploading videos. If you're earning by watching videos, you don't have to actively engage with them. You can simply leave your phone, and the app does the rest. You simply hit play, and then you're free to do whatever you please while still getting paid. It's essentially earning rewards for doing nothing at all. However, it's worth noting that this app is exclusively available on the Play Store, meaning it's only accessible for Android users. Next up is Honeygain, an app that provides effortless passive income by compensating you for sharing your data. The more devices you have connected, the greater your earning potential. If you have multiple devices and share more data, you could potentially earn hundreds of dollars per month in passive income without any effort. However, most people typically earn around $29 to $30 monthly, which isn't substantial but still provides some extra income for essentially no effort. The following app we're featuring is Generate, which essentially rewards you for generating data. By simply leaving your phone running in the background, it collects data that you share with them, and in return, they pay you. This means you're earning money without actively doing anything, even while you're sleeping, as long as the app is installed on your device. The next app we're featuring is Fitment, which rewards you for walking and running. As you accumulate points based on your physical activity, it encourages you to lead a healthier, more active lifestyle. Simply carry your phone in your pocket, and without any additional effort, you'll earn points that can be exchanged for money. While the earnings may not be substantial, it's a great way to earn some extra cash. We also have Cash Stars, an app that compensates you for activities such as listening to music, liking photos on Instagram, searching on Google Play, playing video games, and completing various tasks. It's known as one of the highest paying apps, but to access it, you need to apply by providing your name and email address to join the priority waitlist. After that, you can sign up for free. Now again, these apps don't really pay a lot, but if you're looking for a side income that doesn't require a lot of work from your end, then these are perfect for you. Do like, subscribe, comment your favorite app out of the 15, and turn on post notifications so you will never miss a dollar.